Hey there, in this tutorial we're going to walk through how to update billing dates for any specific club. Keep in mind that in Awtomic, all clubs are set to bill automatically, so if the date of your club run changes, you'll want to go in and update the date for your club members. The way we'll start is to press the search button on the subscriptions list. We'll filter to people with a specific club. So we'll hit this products button, and then I'm going to find anyone in my seasonal favorites club. Now it looks like my seasonal favorites club is set to bill on the 6th. So in order to make sure that I only update people who are set to bill on the 6th and not anyone who has skipped, for example, I'm going to go in and select the date range right around the 6th. So first I'll select the starting date, and then I'll scroll down, and then I will select the ending date. This will by default also only update people who are currently active, as people who are not active do not have a billing date set. So now I have my seasonal favorites club, anyone who is currently set to bill on the 6th. I'm going to hit this bulk updates button, and I'm going to press create bulk update. Then I'm going to make sure that I have all subscriptions matching your search and filters selected. So you can see my filters that were set pulled in here. In the update type, I will select update next billing date. And then I'm going to select October 10th. Because we'll imagine that I'm setting my date back a few days. If I want to, I can also set a billing time. So say I want all of these orders to be billed at 10 a.m. I'm also going to press ignore batching because it's likely that I've already set up batching to have people bill on October 5th, and I want to override that. I'm also going to run this now. You can also schedule the update for the future if you'd like to. Finally, I highly recommend checking this number to make sure it sounds right. So in this case, I have 13 subscriptions that will be updated, and that sounds about right for the number of seasonal club members that I have. I'll press this final check that says I understand this cannot be undone. If I want, I can also get a CSV that will show me the list of customers who will be impacted to review before I execute the update, and then I will press confirm. Once I've submitted this, you'll see that it goes into the queued table here. It's scheduled to run as soon as possible, and soon I will see it turn to initializing, and then it will execute. I can leave this now and come back later to check it, and when it's done, it will appear in the historical tab here. I can click into any update and see if there were any that were ignored. In this case, this is an old update that I ran. I can look at why this might have been ignored, and it looks like it's because it was paused. So we would only update a billing date for a record that has a billing date, for example. That shouldn't be a problem in my current update because, and we can check it now, yes, because I set the billing date as part of the requirement. So you can see now all my 13 records have been updated. If I click on one to check it, I can see that the date is now set to October 10th.